Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix web camera not working on your Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your web camera is not working on your Windows 11 laptop or PC, then I will show you how to fix this. First of all, you need to click on Start menu, then search for Settings. Guys, in left section you can see here Privacy and Security. Just click on this. After that, you need to scroll down a little bit. Under App Permissions, you will find Camera. Just click on this. Guys, you can see here Camera Access. You have to make sure this option is enabled. If it is disabled, just enable this one. After enabling this, make sure whichever app you are using, that app has access to the camera. For example, you can see Skype. For this, it has been disabled. You need to just enable this. After that, just close this window and check whether it is working or not. If not, then try the second method. You can see here this PC, just right click on that, click on Manage. Guys, in left section you can see here Device Manager. Just click on this. In this you can see here Camera. You have to expand this one. You can see Integrated Webcam. In some of the laptop you will find some different name. After that, just right click on that, just click on Update Driver. You can see here Search automatically for drivers. Before clicking here, you have to make sure that you are connected to the internet. After connecting to the internet, just click here. After updating, just close this window and check whether it is working or not. If not, then try the third method. Right click on the driver, just click on Disable, click on Yes, enable again. After enabling, check whether it is working or not. Try the fourth method. Just right click on that, click on Uninstall Device. Guys, after clicking Uninstall Device, if you find any tick mark on this dialog box, you have to just untick that. After unticking, just click on Uninstall and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, hope your problem will be fixed. Web camera not working on your Windows 11 PC. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix web camera not working on your Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.